Good morning children, Shanti. Today we are going to solve new exercise problems, that is exercise 8.1 first question. Find the ratio of the following. Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Means we have to find the ratio of speed of cycle to the speed of scooter. Okay. Solution. The ratio between the speed of cycle and scooter is equal to 15:30 they gave. That we can write as 15 by 30. 15 ones are 15 twos are, if you strike out 1 by 2 we will get, which is nothing but 1:2. Therefore, the ratio between their speed is equal to 1:2. Next one, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Children, we can find ratio only for the same units. If it is different units, we have to convert first and then we have to find the ratio. Okay. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, means 1000 meters mean 1 kilometer. Then 10 kilometer means 1000 into 10. 1000 into 10 when we will do children? 10,000 we will get, which is equal to meter. 10 kilometer is equal to 10,000 meter. Therefore, the ratio between them, which ratio? 5:10,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, remaining 3 zeros we have to put. Then 1:2000. Okay, this is your answer. 50 paise to rupees 5. Here again units are different. We have to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. We know that 1 rupee means 100 paise. Then 5 rupee means 100 into 5, which is equal to 500 paise. Okay, the ratio of 50 paise to 500 paise is equal to 50:500. Here 50 ones are, here 50 ones are, 1 0. Then 1:10 we will get. The ratio between them is 1:10. Next main. Convert the following ratio to percentages. They gave a ratio children, we have to convert it into percentage. To convert it into percentage, we have to multiply with 100. Given ratio is equal to 3:4, which is equal to 3/4 we can write. In percentage while converting 3/4 into 100 we have to consider. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 will remain, 4 fives are 20. If you strike out, 3 into 25 will remain. 3 into 25 gives 75. That is 75%. Next question children. Convert the following ratio to percentage. B question, 2:3 they give. This ratio we have to convert it into percentage children. 2:3 means what is the percentage we are going to find? Given ratio is equal to 2:3, which is equal to 2/3 we can write. In percentage, 2/3 into 100 means while converting it into percentage into 100 we have to do. Then 2/3 into 100. You can write, if you wrote into 100 we can write percentage children. Then 2 into 100 divided by 3. Then 2 into 100 is 200/3. Okay. Everywhere you can put percentage. Okay. This we can't strike out children here also. 3 6 are 18. 2 will remain. Again 3 6 are 18. Again 2 remain. Write it as a mixed fraction. 66 2/3. 66 integer 2/3%. Next one. 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Here 72% students are good in mathematics. They are saying children. Remaining in 100, if you subtract 72, how many will remain? Those much percentage of students were not good we can consider. They may be good in any other subject. Okay. Total number of students are 25. In 25, how many are not good? We are going to find. Solution. 72% of total students are good in mathematics. Therefore, 100 minus 72 is equal to 28% of total students are not good in mathematics. Okay, in 100 if you subtract 72, 28. These many students were not good in mathematics we can consider in percentage. 28% of 25 means 28/100. Percentage means children 28/100 into of 25 means into 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Okay, here 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. Then 7 into 1 is 7. 7 students. Therefore, 7 students are not good in mathematics. Okay, remaining students are good in mathematics. Next question children. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. Here 10 matches they won they said, but how many they played they not gave children. If their win percentage was 40, Then how many matches did they play in all? Solution. Let the total number of matches played is equal to x. Unknown value we consider it as x. Matches 1 is 10. 10 games they won, they said. Percentage 1 is 40% they given children, means 40% of x. 40% of x means 40 by 100 into x we can write. Is it 40 into x is 40x by 100 we can consider. This much they won means children they gave is equal to 10. Totally 10 matches. 40x by 100 is equal to 10. Means in percentage 40% means is equal to 10 here. Then now we transpose 100 to the right hand side. 40x is equal to 10 into 100 will become. Now you transpose 40 to the right hand side. X is equal to 10 into 100 by 40 will become. 0 0 strike out. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 remain, 4 5s are 20. 1 into 25 is 25. Then x is equal to 25 matches. Okay. Overall matches are 25. In that they won 10 matches. Okay. Next question. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? Children, this much only left with her after spending 75% of money, means only 25% is 600 here, is it? Solution. Let the total money Chameli had is equal to rupees x. Starting how much we have we don't know, we will consider it as x. Money left after spending is equal to rupees 600. Percentage money spent is equal to 75%. This much she spent already. Percentage money left after spending means 100 minus 75 gives 25%. Only 25% remained with her. 25% of x is equal to 600, is it? Then 25 by 100 into x is equal to 600. 25 into x is 25x by 100 is equal to 600. You transpose this 100 to the right hand side. 25x is equal to 600 into 100 it will become. Now you transpose 25 to the right hand side. X is equal to 600 into 100 by 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. Then 600 into 4 will remain. 600 into 4 gives 2400. Therefore, the total money Chameli had is equal to 2400. Next question, Shiva. If 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football and remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people are 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. They given here 60% people like cricket, children, 30% like football, 60 plus 30 here 90% already got over, then remaining other games only 10% people like, okay. Then what percent of the people like other games? 10% you understood already. Total number of people means each game how many people, okay. Total also even 50 lakh people, overall 50 lakh people in that who like cricket and how many members like cricket, how many members like football and how many members like other games we have to find. Okay. Solution. Total number of people is equal to 50 lakh they give. Percentage of people who like cricket is equal to 60%. Percentage of people who like football is equal to 30%. Okay. Then percentage of people who like other games is equal to 100 minus of 60 plus 30. Okay, this is cricket percentage and this is football percentage. Then 90 became 100 minus 90 is equal to 10. Only 10% people like other games. Therefore, number of people who like cricket is equal to 60% of 50 lakh. 50 lakh means students 60 by 100 into in standard form write down 0 0 strike out. Okay, 60 into 50,000. Then 60 into 50,000 gives 30 lakh. 30 lakh people like cricket. Number of people who like football is equal to 30% of 50 lakh here. 30 by 100 into 50 lakh children, 0 0 strike out and multiply the remaining terms. Then 15 lakh people like football. Okay. Then number of people who like other games is equal to 10% of 50 lakh. 10 by 100 into 50 lakh you write down, 0 0 strike out. Then 10 into 50,000 gives 5 lakh. Means 5 lakh people like other games. Thank you.